welcome back to my channel. And you are watching a 3-star property.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also.
As you can see on the screen, property location is surrounded by attractions and landmarks also.
You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The property is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available on various meal plans and credit policies.
If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description.